Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be back here.
Yes, it's wonderful to see you, Paul. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel, very professional today.
Professional? Oh, why do you feel professional?
I am thinking about work, about big meetings, international meetings.
Ah, yes, like a conference.
Exactly. A conference where people from many, many countries come together.
That sounds exciting. So many new people.
It is exciting and a little scary, Emily,
Scary? Why?
because everyone speaks English. It is the international language.
Yes, that's true. At a conference, English is the language for everyone.
And maybe you feel shy. Your English is A1. You are nervous.
Ah, Paul, that is a perfect topic for today.
Really?
Yes, our topic is how to use English at an international conference and feel confident.
Wow, I need this.
I think many listeners will like this topic. It is very useful.
Okay, I am ready to learn.
Me too. Oh, but wait. Before we start our tips, we want to say hello to everyone listening.
Yes, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
If you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
It helps us make more podcasts for you. And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this with them.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Emily, I am at the conference. I am very, very nervous. Help.
Do not worry, Paul. My first tip is be prepared.
Be prepared? Prepared for what?
Prepare your introduction.
My introduction?
Yes, at a conference, you will say this many, many times.
Oh, that's true.
So you should practice at home in the mirror.
In the mirror? Okay, what do I practice?
Your 3 important sentences.
3 sentences. Okay?
Number 1. Hello, my name is.
Hello, my name is Paul. Easy.
Number 2. I am from.
I am from Brazil. Good.
Number 3. I am a. Your job. Or I work for your company.
Ah, I am a podcast host.
Yes. Or maybe I am a student. Or I am an engineer.
Okay, let me try. Hello, my name is Paul. I am from Brazil. I am a podcast host.
Perfect. It sounds so good.
Wow, I feel more confident already.
You see, when you practice, you are not nervous. The words are ready.
That is a very smart first tip. Prepare my introduction.
Okay, so you are at the conference, you are walking around, there are many people.
Yes, and they are all talking. I am shy. I just stand near the food table.
The food table is a good place. It's true.
But I want to talk to people. How do I start?
I have a secret tool for you, Paul.
Ooh, a secret tool. What is it?
Look at their shirt.
Their shirt?
Yes, everyone at a conference has a name badge.
Ah, the badge, yes. With my name, Paul, and my country, India.
Exactly. The name badge is your best friend.
How?
You can look at their badge. It is okay. Everyone does this.
So I read their name? Maria.
Yes. So you don't just say hello. You say,
Hello, Maria.
yes. People love to hear their name. It is very friendly.
Wow. Hello, Maria. I like this.
And the badge has more information.
It does. It has the company name or the country.
Yes. So you see, Maria is from Spain.
Oh, so I can say, oh, Spain. Very nice. I am from Brazil.
Exactly. See? You are talking.
I am. I am talking.
The badge is a tool. It gives you the first questions. You are from Spain? You work for Google? Oh, very interesting.
This is a great tip. Use the name badge.
Okay, so you used the badge. You said hello to Maria. Now, what do you talk about?
Uh-oh.
It is easy. This is called small talk.
Small talk. I like that. Small. Not big and scary.
Yes, small, easy topics. What is a good, safe topic at a conference?
The conference?
Good job, Paul. Yes, the conference.
I can ask, are you enjoying the conference?
Perfect question. Are you enjoying the conference?
And Maria says, yes, I am.
Yes. And then you can ask, what was your favorite talk? Your favorite presentation?
Oh, yes. Did you see the talk about money?
Yes, I did. It was very good. See, you are talking about the conference.
This is easy. What other small talk is good?
You can talk about the food.
Always. The coffee here is very good.
Yes, it is. Or the lunch was very nice.
Or, this room is very cold.
Yes, conference rooms are always so cold.
So, safe topics, the conference, the talks, the food, the weather.
Yes, very good. Don't talk about politics.
No. No politics. Just easy, friendly talk.
Okay, so you are good at small talk. But now you are in a big room.
Okay, I am sitting.
You are listening to a presentation, a talk.
Yes, the speaker is very smart.
The speaker finishes, and they say, are there any questions?
Uh-oh.
And you have a question, but you are scared.
Yes, I am scared. My grammar, my pronunciation.
Paul, it is okay. Remember our rule?
What rule?
Communication, not perfection.
Ah, yes. Communication, not perfection. I like that rule.
Your question is important. The speaker wants questions.
So, what do I do?
You raise your hand,
Okay.
and the speaker says, yes, and you stand up.
Oh, I must stand up?
It is polite. Yes, stand up, and first, what do you say?
My question is...
Wait. First, be polite.
Oh, hello?
Yes. Hello. And Thank you for your talk.
Thank you for your talk. Oh, that is very nice.
Yes, always be polite. Thanks. That was very interesting.
Okay. Hello. Thank you for your talk.
And my question is,
My question is, what do you think about topic?
perfect. And your question can be very simple.
What if I did not understand something?
That is a great question to ask.
Really?
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry, can you repeat the last part?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. Or, can you explain the word budget?
It is okay to ask that?
Of course. It shows you are listening. It is a good question.
Wow, I thought I must be perfect.
No, just be polite and clear. Thank you. My question is,
I can remember that. That is very helpful.
okay, so you asked your question. You had small talk with Maria. The conference is finishing.
Yes, and I am talking to Maria again. But I need to go.
Ah, yes. How to end a conversation.
Yes, I don't want to be rude. I can't just walk away.
No, please don't. This is the time for business cards.
Ah, yes, my card with my name and my email.
Yes, so the conversation is good. You can say, well, Maria, it was very nice to meet you.
It was very nice to meet you.
Here is my business card.
Here is my card. And I give it to her?
Yes. And then, what do you do?
I wait?
You can ask, can I have your card, please?
Can I have your card, please? Oh, polite.
Yes. So she gives you her card. Now, very important.
What?
Don't just put the card in your pocket.
Oh, I do that.
It is a little rude.
Oh, no.
It's okay. A better way is look at the card.
Look at it?
Yes, read her name, read her company. Ah, Maria. Company name. Thank you.
Wow, that shows respect.
Yes, it shows you are interested. Look at the card for 2 seconds. Then you put it in your pocket.
I will always do that now. Look at the card. Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. And now you can leave.
How?
You say, it was great talking to you. I am going to get some coffee now.
Ah, a polite excuse.
Yes, or I need to make a phone call.
I am going to the next presentation.
Perfect. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Enjoy the rest of the conference.
And you smile and you walk away.
Wow, I am a professional networker.
You are.
Emily, I have one more worry.
Okay, what is it?
At a conference, people are from many countries.
Yes, Japan, Germany, India, Mexico, everywhere.
And they have accents.
Yes, many different accents.
And I have an accent.
Yes, everyone has an accent.
But sometimes it is hard to understand. Someone from Scotland or someone from Australia. Their English is very fast.
Ah, yes, this is a real challenge.
I feel stupid when I don't understand.
No. Do not feel stupid. It is normal.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I don't understand people from England.
Really?
Yes. The most important thing is don't panic.
Okay. No panic.
Listen for the key words. The important words. You don't need to understand 100%.
Just the main idea.
Yes. And if you really do not understand, what do you say?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Good job, Paul. Yes, it is always okay to say that.
Or, I'm sorry, can you speak a little slower, please?
Perfect. People are not angry. They are happy you want to understand.
That is true. Everyone is there to communicate.
Exactly.
Wow, Emily, these tips are so good. I feel ready.
You are ready. Let's review.
Okay. Tip 1. Prepare your introduction. Hello, my name is...
Tip 2. Use the name badge. Hello, Maria.
Tip 3. Use small talk. Are you enjoying the conference?
Tip 4. Ask questions politely. Thank you for your talk.
Tip 5. Exchange business cards. Look at the card.
Tip 6. It's okay to not understand accents. Can you repeat, please?
That is a perfect summary.
Yes, it is. This was so helpful.
I'm so glad. I hope it helps everyone listening, too.
Wow, Emily, look at the time. Oh, yes, time flies when we are talking.
It does. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Yes, thank you all so much for listening. We hope these tips help you feel more confident in English.
Yes, and please, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And click that like button if you learned something new today.
And share this episode with a friend or a colleague. Maybe someone who is going to a conference soon.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us, do you go to conferences for work or school?
Or do you have a tip for speaking English in a professional way? We would love to read your ideas.
We read all the comments. Thank you, everyone. See you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.